Do you want to know how to change your channel intro video? I'm going to show you how in just 4 clicks. I'm ELISE Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Tune into my upcoming videos to find out why I'm dressed as a hamster, but today we're answering Madeline's question, how to change your YouTube channel intro video. We're going to do this in 4 clicks. First, you're going to log in to studio.youtube.com and click where it says customization. You may need to scroll down to find this, but you're going to find it and you're going to click customization. And that is your first click. Be like Madeline and drop your YouTube questions in the comments, and I'll try to answer your question in an upcoming video. Or if you want to hang out with amazing people just like Madeline who are using YouTube to grow their business, join the Fearless Business Owners Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/MSBizzers. Let's keep going. So our first click was to click on customization. Our second click is going to be to go to where it says Video Spotlight. Notice that there are 2 videos featured here. Get a little confused and then randomly pick one of them by clicking the 3 dots that are for options. That's your second click. What do these 2 videos mean? One of them is called a channel trailer. This is the one that shows for non-subscribers. Someone comes to your channel and they are not a subscriber, this is the video they're going to see. The second one is a featured video, and this is the video that's going to show for returning subscribers. Where do these videos show up? Right here at the top of your homepage on your YouTube channel. But they will only see one of the videos. Just to recap, what we've done so far is we've come to studio.youtube.com. We have clicked on customization. We have clicked on the 3 little dots, and we're going to click on where it says change video. And then we're going to do our click number 4. But first, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a tip to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Now we're going to move into click number 4, and that is simply click the video that you want to show. That's it. 4 clicks to changing the intro video, which isn't actually called intro video at all, on your YouTube channel. But I want to talk to you a little bit about the strategy behind why you might have 2 different videos versus 1 video here in your video spotlight, otherwise known as your intro video. Now, why would you want to have 2 different videos? Sometimes you might have a video that is all about introducing someone to your channel. So for example, hi, I'm ELISE. I'm a YouTube strategist and lead generator. What I did at the intro of this video, that might legitimately be your intro video on your channel, and you want to have that for people who don't know who you are, right? It could also be where you talk about how often you're going to be posting content. They can expect to see a new video every week. It can be where you talk about how you can help them. If you want more help with YouTube for your business, you're going to want to join that Facebook group we talked about a minute ago. Or you're going to want to join my cohort if you want to work with me together in a group setting where I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about using YouTube. Those are great things to say for the people who haven't subscribed to your channel yet. But for returning subscribers who already know who you are, you might want to consider throwing up there a video that you want to get eyes on, or a video that's done really well and everybody who watches it is going to watch it longer. And so this is why you might want to have 2 different videos for your video spotlight, whether that's your channel trailer or your featured video. But in some instances, you might have just 1 video and you would select the same video for both of these. Why would you do that? Maybe you're just starting out. And so you have an intro video, but you don't really have anything else to put up yet. That's a really good reason to use your intro video for both. Or maybe like me, you refuse to make an intro video, and so you just put up a really popular piece of content or a really important piece of content, and you want everyone to see it. That's also a possibility. And the really great thing about this is you can change out your strategy as often as you want. So for a long time, I refused to make an intro video. I just didn't think it was necessary. In each of my videos, I try and focus on making sure you know who I am and what I'm going to help you with, and so I didn't think I needed to have one. But then I was like, you know what, we're going to give it a shot, we're going to see what happens. And so this video, even though it doesn't say it's an intro video, it actually is. It introduces you to the concept of what it is that I do, how I get you visible. And so you need to understand the strategy more than you need to know where to do it. Okay, maybe not more than. You need to know how to do both. But knowing how to change the video really isn't the point. You need to understand the strategy so that you can do even better and move your business along and actually put the right video here. So I hope that has helped you. If you are ready to use YouTube to grow your business, you need to join the YouTube cohort that I talked about a moment ago. In that cohort, I'm going to give you personalized help I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use YouTube as your #1 source of leads and sales for your small business. You'll get to join with other like-minded business owners who are taking the same steps and growing their business by focusing on YouTube. And most importantly, you will learn how you can create content now that will deliver for days, weeks, months, and even years so that you can get off the constant content creation hamster wheel and not have to be a hamster like me. Go to myschedulebiz.com/cohort. I am so glad that we get to live our dreams together every single day, and I hope to see you next time.